Check. Oh. This is what Jojo. She's watching. She was back.
Are they ever gonna do tricks?
Yeah.
And just keep putting them in lines.
Put them in lines. Right. There's another one. Ah, grass. And then now right here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I saw this on YouTube. Great book of supposed to be right here. Now, great book could be right here. Now, we choose any, miny, mo. Catch it to toe. Okay.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he held it, I said no. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Megalodon.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Oh, dirt squash, dirt squash. Vroom, 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 vroom. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16, 19, and 0. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Boom, 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 boom. Go back to the spot. Beep.
What's she doing, girlie?
She's
you
watching
doing?
Monster Jam.
You watching the brother play with Monster Jam? Alright, keep going.
And then tactor toe.
You wanna get out? Whoa.
Monster mud. Monster mud. Who let the dogs out? Woo, 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 woo. Who let the dogs out? Woo, 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 woo. Who let the
I
dogs
gotta
out?
get her for a second.
Woo, woo, woo. Who let the dogs
Thank you.
out? Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo.
Girl, I know you ain't pulling my...
Woo, woo, let the dogs out. Woo, 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 woo. Who let the dogs out? Woo, 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 woo. 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 Woo, 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 woo.
can't keep saying the same thing every time.
Ooh, like the dogs out. Woof, woof, woof.
And you can't keep doing that. That's kind of annoying.
I can't say it.
I mean, you can say it, but don't keep doing it. Nope. Get it out your mouth. You're not eating the charger.
Ooh, like the dogs out. Woof, woof. Ah, dirt squash. I can't say dirt squash.
I didn't say you couldn't say dirt squash. I'm talking about the who lets the dogs out part. You can't be saying woof 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 woof. That's annoying. But go ahead.
Dirt squash, dirt squash, dirt squash. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Go back to where you was. Now I'm on some more Dalmatian.
You're not getting the charger, girl.
Oh, that's when it's the Anna.
Can't touch this. Move.
She's trying to eat it. She's trying to eat it.
Are you biting me? Girl, what's your problem? Why is you biting me?
Dirt squash, dirt squash.
Ow! How does that hurt? You don't even have teeth. Why is you starting to bite people? Girl! Stop, Jojo. Keep going. She's not biting me. This girl cannot be biting me right now.
She's trying to eat the charger.
Get it out your mouth.
1, 2, 3, 11,
Looks like a 7 in the mirror.
18, 11, 0. Go back to spot. Who still didn't do it yet?
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels, yeah.
Or do you want to go do Gold Digger?
Huh?
Gold Digger or Hot Wheels?
We do Hot Wheels first.
And then Gold Digger. Save the best for last. Actually, Megadon is the best, but...
And I like both of them. I like all of them.
Keep going.
Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm Hot Wheels. I can talk. Monster Jam can't talk in Monster. Real Monster Jam. It's not real Monster Jam. She's like Jack Jack.
Ow! She's biting me and it hurts.
She's like Jack Jack. Feels.
I have to let her though. It doesn't hurt that bad.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let me get back in the stadium.
Boy, get back in here. Let's show my room. Why are you biting me? Now I got slab all over my hands.
Ow.
And my
Dirt
wrist.
squash, dirt squash. Whoa, whoa. That's close. Whoa.
You're going to be a Monster Jam truck driver, aren't you?
Yes. Whenever I shrunk and I was driving a car in this car and you should move me.
Keep going. You better keep going. I know. You going psycho on my wrist.
She's like psycho, like Piggy.
Like she's going psycho on my wrist. Like Girl, I know it's not that good. Anyway, keep going. She might be a vampire. Are you a vampire, girl? Ow!
1, 2.
She don't even have teeth, so that don't hurt.
4, 5, 6,
What's wrong?
7, 8, 9, 10, 0. Go back to the spot.
Girl, why is you going psycho? Okay, grave digger's time,
Ow.
and then that's it.
I'm good. And we're going to start back over.
No, we're not. I said I will help you make a video doing this. Not starting all the way over like 10 million times. This is an 11-minute video. I'm not sitting here for no 20 minutes. I'm sorry.
I'm just going to do a video by myself.
And you sure can.
And I'm going to put it right there.
You better keep doing Gold Digger before they don't see the part of Gold Digger. No! You're not playing with no chords. Eat my wrist. Be grateful that you have my wrist to eat on.
1. Oh, he didn't do donuts yet. They're missing the video.
I'm not doing nothing but doing the same thing over and over again, just with a different.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 18, 16, 19, 0. Go back to the spot. Okay.
You're not getting the chords.
You going back in the room?
Bye. Say bye to them.
Bye, guys.
Woo!